Hey guys, what's up? This is Joe Eslait with Casa Real Estate, and if you're thinking about selling your house within the next year, I want to give you some tips and advice that you can take advantage of now so that when you sell a year from now, your house is going to have the best first impression and curb appeal. So I'm going to focus on three things. The first thing is going to be landscape. The second thing is going to be your front door. And then the third thing is going to be the exterior of your property. So when we're talking about landscape, you want to make sure that your lawn is freshly mowed. You want to make sure that you have new rocks or mulch so that it feels fresh and new. You also want to make sure that if you have weeds, that you minimize that as much as possible so that way your property looks nice and that way it looks like you are taking care of it, right? The other thing that you want to focus on is your front door. Many times when I show homes, I see front doors that are dirty or that the hardware, when you're trying to open it, it doesn't open very quickly. And so that just doesn't give buyers a very good first impression. I'm not saying you have to replace the door, but if you can give it a fresh coat of paint, that always goes a long way. Or if you give it, or if you get some new hardware, that always makes the door feel more modern and newer and nicer. So those are some tips for your front door. And then as far as the exterior of the property, you want to make sure that the windows are clean. Maybe you want to, have someone or yourself pressure wash the exterior so that the exterior looks, clean and nice and newer. If the outside needs a new coat of paint, that always is a good idea, depending on your budget and how much money you are willing to invest before you sell. That might be worth it. I can tell you from my experience, when I see homes that have recently been painted, a lot of times they just look like almost like brand new homes, right? So I think be a good investment of your money. So if you follow these three tips, focusing on the landscape, your front door, and the exterior of the property, this is gonna maximize the first impression and make buyers be excited to go inside your home to tour it. So if you're thinking about selling your house, send me a message. I'm happy to do a free seller's consultation and we can talk more about how we can get you the most money for your house and how we can make your house stand out from the rest. Have a great day.